Are you ready to embark on a joyous journey? Picture yourself in a kitchen. Not just any kitchen, but the kitchen of joy, where every ingredient you touch takes you a step closer to happiness. Today, we're going to delve deep into these ingredients, blend in some gratitude and mindfulness, and serve a platter filled with positivity and kindness. It's time to push your worries away and bring happiness to the forefront. Our first ingredient is acceptance. Life, in essence, is a cocktail of sweet and sour moments. Every moment may not be photo-worthy, but it's the mixture of these highs and lows that adds depth to our existence. Embrace these imperfections wholeheartedly. They are the components that create your life, making it uniquely yours. Remember these ingredients that transform your life into a unique masterpiece. Next, we add a generous spoonful of gratitude. Start each day by giving thanks for the small things that make life beautiful. The first ray of dawn, the supportive embrace of a family member, or the joyful giggle of a child. Gratitude is the secret spice that enhances the flavor of our existence, turning every moment into a feast. Now let's pour in a cup of mindful breathing. Breathe in deeply, feel the air fill your lungs, and then slowly leave your body. Conscious breathing is the yeast in our recipe for happiness. Helps deflate the balloon of anxiety and expands the horizons of the mind. Time for a pinch of laughter. Laugh heartily, laugh without restraint. Let laughter be the leavening agent for your soul, making your worries seem smaller and your heart lighter. Moving forward, we blend in a dash of companionship. Authentic companions are akin to exclusive herbs in our concoction. They infuse a touch of sugar to our sour moments and lend uniformity to our voyage through life. Now, let's sprinkle in a dose of nature. Step outside, feel the grass beneath your feet, listen to the birds chirping, embrace the trunk of a tree. Nature is the seasoning that connects us to something larger than ourselves. Wrapping it all up, we introduce a sprinkle of music. Allow your cherished melodies to envelop you like a silk blanket. Music is the spice that heals the spirit. After incorporating all the ingredients, give the mixture some time to meld. Let your concerns relax and your joy escalate. Following that, present this dish with an illuminating smile and distribute it among your cherished ones. Command: change the script to make it sound more poetic and inspirational. Modified script section: bear in mind, if your concerns begin to ripple anew, just scatter more of thankfulness and a profuse bounty of heartfelt embraces. Existence is a distinct concoction, with each dawn presenting a new chance to relish its taste. And there you go, the formula for euphoria. It's straightforward, reachable, and primed for your indulgence. Now it's your chance to whip up a banquet of delight and levity. Enjoy your meal!